Alright, so we're going to start in on T3C, graphing in the linear functions on the coordinate plane and identifying key characteristics such as x-intercepts, y-intercepts, zeros, slope, and slope. So on this, we're given a equation, and then we've got graph choices, and we want to pick which one has the best possible fit for that equation. I'm going to go ahead and put this in slope-intercept form so I can figure out what my slope is. So I'm going to divide everything by negative 5. So this will become y is equal to positive 6 over 5x plus, or minus 3. Okay, so I know that my slope is positive, so I'm going to eliminate a because it has a negative slope. And I'm also going to eliminate b because it also has a negative slope. So then I need to look at my y-intercept, which is negative 3. This one has a y-intercept of negative 3. This one has positive 3. So your answer choice is C. Now, what could have made, you could have had a mistake where you could have forgot that negative divided by, or positive divided by negative gives you a negative, and you could have wrote positive 3. So that could have given you the wrong answer in that choice. All right, so we are wanting to graph the function that passes through the point and has a slope of negative 3. And here's we want to find the zeros of the function. Well, that's when it crosses the x-axis. The zeros, whether or not it's a quadratic or linear, the zeros are the same. It's still where it crosses the x-axis, and that is when y is equal to 0. So let's work on our equation and write that here. So we have, well, let's see. I have a point 1, negative 3, or 1, negative 9, which is here. And then I have a negative slope, so negative 3, so it would be down 3, left, down 3, right 1. So we're going to go up 3 and then left 1. 1, 2, 3, and then left 1. 1, 2, 3, and then left 1. 1, 2, 3, and then left 1. I just hit my 0, my x-axis, so I know that I'm done in terms of my graph. So my 0 is at negative 2. Next question. Which of the statement must be true? So let's plot these 2 points. So I have negative 7, 0, so that's that point. And I have 1 and then 8. All right. And if I were to draw a line, I could draw a line, but I need to figure out what that slope is to get a more accurate line. I know my slope is going to be positive. So we're going to eliminate A. X-intercept of graph K is negative 7. This is true. 0 of K is 7. No. Passes through the point 1, negative 1, 8. Negative 1, negative 8. That's there. It's never going to pass. So we know that our answer choice has to be D. So we're done. That's that easy. I'll go on in this question.